Lakeisha from OST has a question about a stinky house.
Yeah, it's been closed up for a long time, Tom. And Lakeisha writes, I've tried opening the windows and letting it air out, but it still smells. She says the old mold was previously there. It was all clean. They cut it out. They did it right. They cleaned it out and repaired it. But the home has window units, no central AC or heat. And I recently purchased the home and need to get the smell out. So Lakeisha wants your advice, Tom. How does she unstink the stank?
Got to find out what the stink is. I mean, do you have to wash the walls? Do you have to repaint? Do you have mold in the air conditioners? Are they so old and moldy they're not working right? Because that can be a problem. It could be in the carpeting. I don't know, but a thorough cleaning and an investigation of the stink is what you really need to do. You could have rotted wood somewhere where a roof leak happened for a long time, and it's just a mess. So I can't tell you there's a magic wand to wave, but it's going to be a lot of investigation and probably a lot more work than just airing out the house.
I don't think she's looking for magic wand. Looking for magic mop.
Well, it might be
she
a mop.
needs to go to one of those home shows and buy one of those magic mops.
Well, we have
kidding.
Carpet cleaning and all these different things that you need to do, or maybe get rid of the carpet because the pad is a mess.
Yeah.
So there's a lot of things that if it's old enough, it's not going to just go away when you air it out.
That's a good point. Like, when you get water in a car, they have to pull the carpet and the jute, which is the pad underneath it.
Gross.
That's got to go.
Yes.
And so chances are it could have been built up there. I want to center in on what she said here about window units, though, Tom. Those window units aren't doing her any good. They're not exchanging anything. I wonder, depending on her budget, if she wouldn't, since she has no central air, if this wouldn't be a candidate for some kind of ductless system.
Ductless split system, yeah. No, there's no doubt that window units do not take care of humidity at all. And they can get to be a real mess.
And that's a breeding ground for mold and the stink.
Yeah. So you have to investigate all these different things. The way the question was written is opening the windows and airing it out isn't the end all by any means.
By any means. All right. All right. You have a question? We can help clean it up for you, too. Go ahead and send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com. Use the Ask Tom form. We'll post your answer just like these videos. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell, and we'll ring yours when we post a new one.